will be discussing everything about the periodic table of elements. Okay. Periodic table. The periodic table is a tabular arrangement of the chemical elements in which each element provides 4 important pieces of information. So what are those informations? Let's take a look at this element. So we have hydrogen. First up, the number. This number is called the atomic number. Next one, we have the capital letter H. This one is called the symbol. We have the name, the hydrogen. So it's called the name. We have 1.008. It is called the atomic weight. Atomic number. Atomic number, it is usually found above the element, above the symbol of the element in the periodic table. So at what we can see here, it is located here at the top of the symbol. It is always a whole number greater than 0. So we have here number 1. And the atomic number is always equal to the number of protons, or simply, it is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom or ion of the element. So that's atomic number. Next up, we have the symbol. So the symbol of an element is made up of 1 or 2 letters. The first letter of each symbol is always a capital or uppercase letter. If there is a second or third letter, it is always in lowercase. Each symbol or capitalized letter of an element is either in English, Latin, or German. For example, C for carbon, K for kalium, or potassium in Latin. Potassium in Latin. So that's the example. Now let's move on with the atomic mass. So the atomic mass is the mass of an average nucleus in an element and is stated in atomic mass units. This number is roughly equal to the total number of protons and neutrons of an element. So that's atomic mass. Parts of the periodic table. So we have the noble gases. So noble gases, these are the chemical elements in group 18 of the periodic table. It is the most stable due to having the maximum number of valence electrons. So next, we will proceed with the group or family. So let's take a look at this one. So it is a vertical column in the periodic table. So examples of the families are the alkali metals, the alkaline earth metals. We have the transition metals, and other metals. We have metalloids, non-metals, halogens, and noble gases. So next, we have some trivia regarding the periodic table of elements. So the history of the periodic table reflects over a century of growth in the understanding of chemical properties. The most important event in its history occurred in 1869, when the table was published by Dmitry Mendeleev. So here's Dmitry Mendeleev, who built upon earlier discoveries by scientists such as Anton Laurent de Lavoisier and John Newlands, but who is nevertheless generally given sole credit for its development.